In front of me is Realme C15, and let me show you how to activate RTL Layout direction. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then make sure that you unlock your developer options. If you don't know how to do it, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer options in Realme C15, and then go to additional settings. Here, click on developer options, and then locate RTL mode. So just scroll down a bit, and as you can see here, you've got force RTL layout direction. Mark it, and now you can smoothly use your device with left hand. If it's better for you, just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, now it applied. And also, if you go back to the home screen, just give it a couple of seconds. You'll be able to use your device in a normal way. So just the layout changed to RTL. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.